In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all of your listings on Facebook Marketplace fast in 2026. If you want to quickly remove everything you currently have posted on Facebook Marketplace, this process is very straightforward. Just keep in mind that Facebook does not always provide a single button to delete every listing at once. So the fastest method is to go through your active listings one by one and remove them directly from your listings area. To begin, go to Facebook in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand menu and click Marketplace. This will take you into the Marketplace section, where you can manage the items you've posted. From there, click Your Listings. This is the section where Facebook shows all the listings connected to your account. If you have several items posted, this page is where you'll be spending most of your time. It's a good idea to stay focused here and work through each listing in order so you don't miss anything. Now open one of your listings. After the listing opens, look for the three-dot menu. This is the options menu for that specific item. Click it and then choose Delete Listing. Facebook will usually ask you to confirm your choice just to make sure you really want to remove the listing. Go ahead and confirm. Once that listing is deleted, return to your listings and open the next one. Then repeat the exact same process. Click the three-dot menu, select Delete Listing, and confirm. Continue doing this until all of your listings have been removed. If you have a lot of items posted, the fastest approach is to work methodically from top to bottom. That helps avoid opening the same item twice or accidentally leaving one behind. Also, give Facebook a moment to refresh after each deletion, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. That can help prevent confusion while the list updates. And that's really all there is to it. You'll start by going to Facebook, then head into Marketplace, open your listings, and delete each listing individually through the three-dot menu until everything is gone. If you follow this process carefully, you can clear out all of your Marketplace listings as quickly as Facebook allows. Hopefully this makes the cleanup process simple, clear, and easy to follow.